It's more important than ever today to have a really great retail experience because there's so much business going to online, and you have to integrate those two things, your online with your in-store experience, and make it frictionless for your client. Retail's not easy these days, right? And you have to have a differentiated offering, and the Zebra devices allow us to get in front of our customer.
First of all, I think the associates absolutely love the technology that we're bringing into the stores. I mean, they've seen a drastic reduction in the time that it takes to do the work. We can pick, inventory much more accurately to support both buy online, pick up in store, and ship from store. We can ensure that our customers get the product that they want when they want it, and it's readily available through the applications that they can see the inventory accuracy and ensure that they can process those quickly. Since we have a 1-hour guarantee, we want to ensure that we can process them as quickly as possible. The benefits that it brings to our customers and to our associates to make their lives easier makes our culture just that much more enjoyable.
We're seeing a less than 1% failure rate on these devices, which is absolutely amazing when you consider how much impact it has on the stores when they don't have the tools they need to do their jobs. Our associates are more than excited when it comes to using our new technology that we just implemented in the stores, TC51 especially. Our store associates now have a device that they can rely on, that they don't have to worry about battery life, they don't have to worry about the device dropping off the network. These things are stable, they're made for our environment, they're enterprise grade, and the whole team across the entire chain has been completely excited and stoked about it.
We have leveraged our technology in a lot of ways where we can reduce non-value-added activities so that we can support the time that we have face-to-face with our customers and to get them know them better and develop a closer client relationship with them. I think it's been a fantastic partnership with Zebra. They have been so supportive in everything that we're trying to do. They're very interested in seeing us be successful with our customers and have been a great partner in supporting that effort.
Our partnership with Zebra devices and our investment into this hardware has lightened our tasks in the store so we can really focus on the client and developing those deeper relationships. That's what we're all about, taking the tasks out, getting much more efficient in our day-to-day operations so that we can be much more interactive with our clients.